Okay, here's your answer to question number 2 from the sample AP questions. And again, hopefully you've already tried this and now just watching this video. It says, which of the following conditions is sufficient to guarantee that this comes out as true? All right, and so the way this evaluates is it'll go left to right, so it'll do this or first, and then take that result and AND it with this. Okay, so basically, in order for this to all be true, this statement needs to be true here. So A cannot be equal to C. Okay, so for sure E is out, right? Because in order to be true, they have to be not equal. All right, and then either one of these has to be true. The OR has to be true here, and then that has to AND with this thing being true. Okay, so I sort of looked through my choices here, and basically I was thinking, I don't want A to be equal to C. So like that would be true here, right? A would not be equal to C if A is less than C. And then that would also make this true because A would be less than C. So this would be true or whatever. So that's going to be guaranteed to be true. And then we AND this with something that's true, right? Because if A is less than C, then A is not equal to C. Okay, so that would make true and true. And so I think A is going to be the best choice, right? And the rest of these really don't tell us that A is not equal to C. Like we don't know that from any of these. So really the only one that's going to work here is A, because we have to know that A is not equal to C, and that would happen when A is less than C. Okay, hopefully that logic makes sense. Thanks for watching.